logical operators are used to perform logical operations in the values. It will return boolean value. So if it satisfies the condition means it will return true, else it will return false. There are three types of logical operators we are having. The one is logical and, it's defined by using two and symbols. The second one is logical or, it's defined by using two pipe symbols. The third one is logical not. It is used by using exclamation symbol. Okay, now we'll see one by one. So first one is logical and. So it will return the true value if all values are true means. Okay, if any one value is false means it will return the false. After that, if both values are false mean that time also it will return the false. So I will show you one example so you can understand this better. So here I am creating one if statement with my first value is true. I am using and operator. That's my second value is false. So I am adding console inside that, console.log. Inside that I am typing true for my true statement. I'm going to add one more I'm adding else statement. Inside that I'm going to add one more console.log false. Okay, if I click save, you can see the false is printed because my first one is value is true, my second value is false. So if both are true means it will return true value. This will return the true value. For example, this place how it will work is it will return like true. Both are true means it will return true, else it will return false. Okay, sorry, false. So our if statement will check again this final output is true or false like that. So if it is true means it will go inside the true statement, else it will go into the else statement. Okay, so in this case it will return the false value, so it's by defaultly going to the else statement. So if I change this to true means you can see, so this is also true and this one also true, so it will return the true value. So it's go inside the if statement. So here you can see it is printing the true value. Okay, I hope you understand this. I will add one more value to here. Okay, okay, now I am adding false here. This time also if I click save, you can see it goes into the else part, so it will return the false statement. So if I change this to true means you can see it will goes into the true. So this console is printed. I hope you understand this. You can have n number of values here. So if all are satisfied means all are true means the time only it will return the true, else it will return the false. Okay, you can use if statement or switch statement or for loop, while loop, anywhere you can check this condition. So finally it will return truthiness or falseness only. Okay, one more scenario also we can see if both are false means. Okay, false, sorry, spelling mistake. So if both are false means it will return the false, so it goes into else block. Okay, so any one is false means also it will goes to false. If all are also false means it will goes into the false statement only. Okay, so here we can see the false is printed. I hope you understand this. The second one is or operator. So for that I am copying this code and commenting this code. We go into or operator. I will paste it here. Here you can see or operators are defined by using two pipe symbol. Okay, so here I am adding two pipe symbol. So added, so it will return true if any one is true. If both are false means it will return the false. Okay, we'll see the first one. If any one is true means it will return true, right? So if, so here you can see one is false and another one is false. Okay, so I am changing this to true. If so, here this one value true, one value is false. So if I click save, it will return the true value, so it goes into the true condition. So here the console is printed as a true. So if I change here also true means this time also it will return the true. So it's printing the console.log true because anyone satisfied the anyone is true means it will return true. So both are true means also it will return true. Correct? So if I change this two value into false, false or false. So if I click save, you can see the false is printed because here no true statement, correct? So both are false, so it will return the false, so we added it inside the if statement, right? So it will goes into our else block, so this false is printed. So I hope you understand this. Now we'll go into next. Okay, now I'll comment this. Here I paste it here. So this is called logical not operator. So this not operators are used to invert our values. For example, if it is a true means it will invert it to false. If it is a false means it will invert it to the true value. So in this case I am removing this r and one more value. So for not operator, we need to add exclamation. Okay. So here you can see I added exclamation. So if I click save, it goes into my true block because it's already false and I added not operator, so it will invert the value. So it will invert it is true. So it is inside this statement. So it will print the true value. So if I change this false to true means you can see now I added true, but after before that I added the invert symbol. So if I click save, it will goes into my false statement because it invert my value into true into false. So it goes into our else block. So I will add you one more scenario. Here we can add more combination. So here I am going to add one and operator with true again. Okay, if I click save, you can see this is true. Basically and operator will work, both are true means it will return the true. So both are true, so finally it will give the true value. So true value is inverted, so it goes into false statement, so it's printing false. So if I change this to false means you can see, so here false, here true. So both conditions are true means that time only and operator will return the true. So if any one is false means it will definitely return the false, correct? So this area this that value is false. So false value is inverted. So it's printing the true value. So here you can see the true is printed. So these conditional operators are very, I mean, these logical operators are very important because using these logical operators, we can perform more logical things. So based on that, our code flow will change. Okay, mostly these operators are used inside our conditional statement. For example, if, switch, or for loop or while loop, those areas we will use this. So it's very important, guys. If you have any feedback or suggestion, post it in the comments below so I can learn from it. Thank you.